Vanakkam. Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this particular channel, we are going to talk about how the software industry platform is growing and how to get a jobs after graduation, how to get a job as an experienced profile, and what are the future upcoming job profiles which is going to be solid, and we have to improve ourselves. These kind of the scenarios which we will be talking in this particular channel. And the second content, it will be, I like motorcycle traveling. Okay, I used to take my motorcycle and I will travel from one destination to the another destination. Due to that, myself, I clearly understand that most of my fears about my future will get vanished, and I will get a crystal clear mind idea how to proceed further, how to achieve that goal settings and everything. It helped me a lot when I started traveling. So I used in my professional life as well. Okay, this is the second content which we are going to talk about in upcoming videos. And the most interesting fact is, like, whatever I felt I want to communicate, I can use this particular YouTube platform to communicate with you, everyone. And this is a pure multi-content channel. If you guys are watching this particular channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and to get notified for the upcoming videos, kindly please click the bell icon. That's a major support which will be energetic for me. That's it for the content creation about my channel. Okay, and today we are going to talk about fear about the future. See, the fear is a common statement which everyone will be having. Okay, if you don't have fear about your future, then we are doing some routine jobs and we are in a comfort zone. Okay, the comfort zone, maximum 1 year, 2 year, 5 years. That's it. Okay, after that, again we have to enhance our skill sets, and then we have to move towards the future. Okay, on the job profile or in a business profile or money related stuffs, everything. Of course, the money is a key important role each and every human being, which is necessarily needed in day-to-day life, because we have to run our life with money only. So money is the ultimate power. I need a job, an experienced profile, but I need a job. This is one category. I am doing graduation, I am studying in a college, I need a job. Second category. And I don't have skill sets, but I want to increase my skill sets. Increasing the skill sets to get a job. And the second fear is, like, I want to start a business. How I can start it? And I'm running a business. I want to enhance my business profile into another platform. So second business. Money. Today I'm earning 10K, but I want 20K. So everything is having a future. So in our mind automatically will get fear that how we are going to achieve it. So today this one will break your brain, and it will give you a crystal clear idea and how to proceed that fear. Yeah, of course, as I mentioned earlier, fear is the key important role which you are going to play for your future perception. If you have fear, definitely you are going to upgrade your skill sets, upgrade your business ideas, and you want to increase your money to the future level. In the comic wise, do you know why Thanos in the Avengers, Thanos is having too much power, and the opponent team totally around 9 members who are ready to defeat that Thanos? And if you go for Bahubali, the Balalateva is too much powerful person. What is the key idea what they kept in their mind is, like, believe in you. If you don't believe in you, definitely it is going to be end up in something. When you start believing in you about your future fear, you have to break that into goal settings. Yeah, what is goal setting? Is like, I want to get a job. How I have to get a job? First question. Okay, for that you have to set a goal setting. What are the necessary preparations you have to do during graduation, or you are an experienced profile, to proceed further into your future profile? Believe in you is the key role concept, which we have to break it into a goal setting concept. What is goal setting? Is like, okay, today I have to spend 30-minute quality time about my future and what are the proceedings I have to follow up. I'm a graduated student. How I can achieve it? Yeah, we have to study about the market situation, and we have to write it in a notepad or in your mobile. Take a notes regarding whatever you are reading, everything, and start preparing it. This is called first goal setting. For example, if you are a fresher, each and every software company will come to your college to hire you. The first process, it will be like assessment. So what are the assessments which I have to follow up? So start preparing 30 minutes every day, quality time spent towards to that particular platform and enhance your knowledge. If you are an experienced profile, you want to get into your future jobs. So what is the key important role? Yeah, I'm working in an organization and I want to enhance my profile into higher positions. So I have to start preparing goal settings. Number 2, what are all the key responsibilities for that position they want? So break it into small chunks, prepare your goal settings, where spend quality time for 30 minutes and try to achieve it. Got it? And you are into your business platform, or you want to start a business, each and everything it's going to say about believe in you. Yeah, you can do it. If you can do it. That's the key important role which will be playing around. Initially, for the business role, yeah, I have some amount to contribute for this particular business and I don't want to take a risk. So you have to decide what are the risk factors and how to avoid those kind of risks. Or you are running a business and you want to enhance your business profile. You have to detailedly break into small chunks for the goal settings, all the risk factors and everything. You have to write it down and start preparing your mindset. It's all about completely mindset. And coming to the money related, yeah, money related means I'm earning 10K per month, but this is not sufficient and I want to go for a higher amount for 20K, 30K, 40K, 50K, like that. So easily we can't get it. That's a true fact. You have to start preparing. Okay, you have to start preparing. You have to set a goal setting. But within this week, I will prepare these kind of situations. Whatever the job you are playing in and around. You have to prepare the goal settings and you have to spend quality time, 30 minutes minimum per day. You have to spend a time and you have to achieve those kind of situations before getting into an interview process. If you got failed, for whatever the situation it is, if you got failed, don't underestimate your power. You have to believe in you, that you have to ready to accept your failure. Once you start accepted your failure and you are going to keep trying it. Got it? Keep trying. Today I failed. Tomorrow also I'm going to fail. Day after tomorrow also I'm going to fail. 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever it is. Because you really thought like you are going to believe in yourself that you can do it. You can do it. First, you have to accept your failure and take down the notes why you have failed and put it in a risk factor and how to avoid those risks. You have to set a goal, focus on what you have to do, okay? And you can break it, and one day you will get successful for that situations. You are not a failure. If you stop trying, you are a failed person. When you keep trying, you are not failed person. What I'm trying to say about the fear about future is like, first one is believe in you. Accept your failure. Even if you accept your failure, keep trying. Repeat it. What you have to be in. Focus. Spend some quality and dedicated amount of time for your professionalism. Okay, these are all the key important roles which we can deal with the fear about the future. As I said earlier, right? In Avengers, why Thanos is having more power? This is a fun fact, okay? And in Bahubali, Baladeva is too much powerful. Do you know why? What is the reason? They believed in themselves. Whoever comes, I'm going to I'm going to achieve my dream. Achieve their thought process. They are going to achieve their thought process. That is what they have decided in their mind, and they have prepared their risk factors and then smashed like anything. And the key important role is like they are single. They are not married. This is a fun joke. Yeah, most of the single persons are like achieved very big love. They are not married. They achieved it. This is just a joke, just for fun, I'm saying. So if you do have any concerns, please leave your feedback in comment sections, and get notified for the upcoming videos. Kindly please click the subscribe button and bell icon. Thanks for watching this particular video. We'll catch up at next video. Next video is like how to get a job as a fresher. So this is the topic which we are going to talk about in upcoming videos. Take care. Bye. See you soon. Nandri.